Hey guys, so we got this 93 GMC that got the shaft here. Gonna be fixing it up. Have all the parts ordered already, so it's gonna be pretty sick. Gonna start to take the bumper off so at least we can turn this thing because the wheel binds with the bumper, but it's not that much work, just needs a hood, fender, and luckily there's no frame structure here. It's all kind of within the fender, so that's pretty sick. And the only frame piece here is this. So let's get started. Well, we finally got the front bumper off. A little hard to take off because it was all bent up and stuff, and it's hard to get to all these bolts, like this one here, you know. But we got her off. Frame looks pretty tweaked, but talked to my frame guy and he said this shouldn't be no issue. But yeah, got that off and let's keep digging. Well, we got the whole thing, took it apart. Almost just got this fender left, but I'm not sure if I want to take it off because it mounts up to the hood, so the hood's gonna pretty much fall. But yeah, that's all that's left is the hood, the fender, and the inner fender. But yeah, I might probably do that another day because it's kind of getting dark already. But that's pretty much it for today, and probably next video we'll probably have this thing all torn apart and get it pulled and get painted. It was actually pretty freaking easy, so yeah, it's just a couple bolts here and here, and this thing just came right out. But that's pretty much it. That's all we have really to do today. Next thing we got to do is just get this frame pulled out and go really from there, because can't really put anything else on until we got this thing pulled. So yep. Yeah, this thing got tweaked. Wait, check this thing out. This thing looks so weird. Pretty cool. So guys, we finally got that frame pulled out. Check it out. I know it ain't the prettiest, but I mean, believe it or not, I talked to every single shop in Harrisonburg and none of them wanted to pull this frame. They're all scared and they're saying it was going to be a safety hazard and a liability and stuff, so we had to do it ourselves. But this is the best we could get it, you know. So yeah. But it's a work truck, so it's fine, you know. It doesn't have to be too pretty. So now we just got to put this thing together and hopefully everything lines up. We measured it pretty good and seems to be straight, but we got to obviously put all the body panels on and see how everything lines up. The radiator support sits good, so that's a good sign. So let's start putting this thing together. Also, another little bummer that happened was well, I mean, who cares about the hood, because I mean we're replacing it anyways, but I was driving it around just to, you know, checking it out, and the hood flew up and went over on the side and hit this fender, so kind of have to put another one of those on order, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. So Yeah, but that's all right. Well, guys, we got this thing all sanded and cleaned up. Let's get some paint and get her painted in. So we got this thing all painted in. We used some high quality trailer paint. Now I'm just gonna back it out outside and have it dry for a little bit. In the meantime, we got some packages in the mail, and let's see what we got. So guys, we got all the parts unpackaged. Here's the fan shrouds and the bumpers, all brand new OEM. Just kidding, it's this Tongyang Chinese. But yeah, you guys saw all this stuff. Now we just got to put this thing back together. Well guys, this is going to be it for today. We got quite a bit of work done. Got everything put together. So the engine bay is pretty much all complete. Canister and everything's in here, so it's pretty much done. So catch you guys tomorrow.